Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to assemble the stands to your Sharp Android TV. Let's lay it flat, the best on a desk, because you can then lay it on the edge of the desk. And it's gonna be needed because you'll notice in a moment that the stands exceed past here, so they just need to be on the edge of the desk. And now in the box you should have those stands, two of them in particular, and they are both exactly the same, so it doesn't matter which one goes onto which side. Then you should also have 4 screws, and those screws will be needed to assemble the stands. So I'm gonna just open those screws. By the way, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver for it. Most probably you just have one. Just like very typical size for everything. Now, the stand should be set in that way that you can see this little hole in the center here. It has to align with this hole here, which means you need to do it like that, so the actual stand part is more on the inner side than the screw part, than the screw holes, right? Now it is aligned correctly, I believe. Let me double check. No, sorry. It should be like that, the other way around, right? So the screws actually go to the more inner side, and more outer is the stand part itself. So now let's get the screws, and I'm gonna screw them in with fingers at first so it holds at all. Okay, I'll probably won't be able to screw it in with fingers, so I'll need to do it with a screwdriver. It is pretty difficult because you can see the TV is sort of rotating on my desk, so if you have a not slippery pad that you can put on your desk, then it's gonna be way easier for you for sure. I'm gonna screw that in, but remember that if you're screwing it in like I am right now, then don't screw it all the way in because you'll break the plastic. So you'll need to later rotate the thing, screw the other screw in, and then you can begin screwing both all the way in, but also not like you do the first one all the way in, then the second one. It's better to do it partially, just a little for the one, a little for the other one, and like that until you're done. I'm gonna show you all of that. You'll see everything basically. So let's screw that one in until it holds straight. Okay. Now I'm not screwing it all the way in, even though both screws are in. Just one by one, a few rotations, and I'm getting to the other screw. Okay, as you can see, I'm like pretty close here. Okay, almost done, but now it's gonna be a bit harder because the screws don't go in as easily, and I don't think that I have the right size of the Phillips screwdriver. Yeah, it's like one size too small, so I need to push it in very hard so the screwdriver doesn't slip, because if it slips it's gonna wear out the screw, and we really want to avoid it. So I'm gonna push it in very hard. But if you have the correct size screwdriver, then it shouldn't be a problem, honestly. Let's see. Yeah, it's quite sturdy right now. Now I'm gonna do the other side and get back to you. Now the other stand is done as well. It is sturdy as well. Let's just place the TV on the desk. You can see it's all fine. And now we can plug it into the power and set it up. By the way, if you want to set it up, then there is a video on our channel about the setup, so it's worth watching that. And I hope that this video was helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.